Sitting in a coffee shop along a narrow lane, where the town seems to be yawning lazily. We share faded tales beneath the keen and pale sky, friends sharing old stories with a twinkle in their eyes. We gather around each lazy afternoon and feel alone, sipping coffee and tea, hearing echoes of a time gone by. Heavy laugh and tears opening up the door in the back roads of memory, where the heart finds a home. As we journey down the past, where time isn't pretending, breathing in the past, simple days gone by, whispering untold secrets among old friends. As the sun goes down over the horizon, sun goes down over the